Today we're making pimento cheese spread. I'm in the Outer Banks in a different kitchen today, but I'm whipping up some fresh pimento cheese to take to the beach. If you grew up in the South, you're very familiar with pimento cheese. It's just a handful of ingredients and it comes together in no time at all.
We're using 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, and I think the sharp is the better variety. 1/2 stick or 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 4-ounce jar of pimentos, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise or about 4 tablespoons, and a little bit of garlic powder. I like a little heat to my pimento cheese, so I'm going to seed and chop 1 jalapeno pepper. And I usually put my block of cheese in the freezer for about a half an hour before I grate it. You can use the packaged cheese from the grocery store, but you may need to add a little more mayo because that cheese has been coated with some cornstarch or corn flour, so it's a little on the dry side. 8 ounces yields about 2 cups.
And now we add everything to a large bowl. I grew up in North Carolina and I've eaten a lot of pimento cheese sandwiches. I love a pimento cheese sandwich. And some people love to put a big, fat, juicy slice of tomato on there. Many people stuff celery sticks with pimento cheese. Add our 1 jar of diced pimentos, and you want to drain that. I was just reading one of my Outer Banks cookbooks with a recipe for pimento cheese, and that recipe said to leave the juice in the pimento cheese. I've never had it that way, so that's something you could try. And I'm going to toss in a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Some recipes call for salt and pepper. I don't usually add salt because the cheese is salty enough. And I don't usually add black pepper because I've never seen pimento cheese with black pepper specks. You could try some white pepper. And we're starting out with 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm adding 1 jalapeno pepper that's been seeded and diced. I love jalapeno peppers. So this is optional. Now, if you buy pimento cheese already prepared at the grocery store, which most of us from the South have done at some point, there's a lot of ingredients in there, including sugar. I don't add sugar to my pimento cheese spread either. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're just going to mix this. Our freshly made pimento cheese turned out just delicious. Most people eat this on crackers. I love it on tortilla chips, and I just love it on warm toasted bread. And many people make a grilled pimento cheese sandwich. A traditional Southern pimento cheese.